Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome and effective lower belly workout. Now, I know that's like the hardest part of the tummy to get nice and flat, but I have awesome exercises that are gonna help you do just that. So let's get into it. All right, like always, we're doing 2 sets. The first one is more of a demonstration and explanation as we do it. The second one is less talking, more doing. So if you feel like you know what to do, go ahead and fast forward and get to it. If not, let's start our demo set with seated front leg races. All right, so sitting on your bottom, your legs are extended out in front of you. All right, and alternating, we are just going to simply be bringing our leg up, all right? So straight spine, you can have the hands behind you here for some support, and you're using that lower belly to lift your straight leg, all right, up as much as you can, down, and then other side, all right? Now, strong core and really using those muscles here to bring up your leg, okay? So we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds, alternating each side, 30-second timer. Let's go. Remember, strong, straight spine and using those muscles, moving with intention. Don't wanna lean back too much or else we're not gonna be able to, use the muscles that we want to here. Make sure you're sitting up forward. Breathing. Chin up, chest up, shoulders pushed away from your ears. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Release, shake it out. Next, we have a half roll down. So we are gonna have our knees bent, our feet on the floor. So sitting like so, our arms are straight out in front of us. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna start rolling down, all right, and stopping halfway and then bringing ourselves back up. So using those core muscles to slowly roll down and then boom, come right back up, all right? And when you're rolling down, try to remember one vertebrae at a time, moving slowly, controlled movement. Breathing in your nose, and we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. All right, so the goal here is to move slowly, using your core muscles to balance, and then pull yourselves all the way up to a straight spine, all right? So roll halfway down and come back up. Very, very good. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Very important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Very, very good. Alrighty, last one. Your neck is long and elegant, your chin is up, and very good. Relax, shake it out, and get ready for tabletop toe taps. So here, we're gonna be laying down on our back and bringing our feet and legs up. Your knees are bent, so we're making a tabletop with our legs, okay? So this is a 90-degree angle. Your lower legs here, your shins, are parallel to the ceiling, all right? Nice tabletop position. And what we're gonna be doing is dropping one foot at a time, tapping the floor, bringing it back up to that tabletop position, all right, alternating. So those are the tabletop toe taps. If you wanna challenge yourself even more, go ahead and lift those shoulders off the ground into a crunch position and hold that here as you do them, all right? If that's a little bit too much for you, go ahead and keep those shoulders on the ground and just focus on your feet and your core muscles here controlling the movement, all right? If not, go ahead and challenge yourself. 30 seconds, and let's go. Now here, the control comes into bringing it back to that tabletop position. You're not going, up and down, straight line, tap, back to it, tap, back to it, all right? And here, if you're in a crunch position, always remember to have about a tennis ball-sized space between your chin and your chest. You don't want to be pulling on your neck, all right? It's super important to remember spine health. And your elbows are out to the side, all right? They're not in here. They're nice and out to the side. All right, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very, very good. Now, staying right here, we are going to be doing leg scoops. And it looks exactly as it sounds. So our legs are going to be scooping, coming straight up, bending, and then scooping. So we're going to start with our knees bent, and then they extend forward at a tilt, come up, bend, and scoop. So like a scooping position, scooping movement. All right, straight up, bend, scoop them out forward, and come straight up, all right? We're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. Ready, and let's go. Extend, bring them all the way up, bend, and extend. Very good. So I recommend you have your arms out to your side for stability. Your hands are widespread. Breathing, making sure that your lower back is pushed against the floor, all right? No arched backs. Alrighty, you're almost there, guys. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Relax. Go ahead, extend all the way out. Bring your arms up. Nice full body extension, should feel good. And we're going to turn it around, lay on our stomachs for a little bonus stretch. All right, our hands are right below our shoulders, and we're gonna push against the floor, push up, and really enjoy that stretch. Cobra stretch is what this is called, and it's always great for stretching your abs, your core muscles, and your back. Right. Breathe. Push your shoulders away from your ears and come down. Very, very good. And that was your set 1. All right, we had our seated front leg races, we had our half roll down, our tabletop toe taps, and then our leg scoops with a cobra stretch at the end. Take a second, grab some water, and get ready for set number 2. But first, go ahead and look at the time. This is where you want to come back to do the video without the demo. Just get straight to that workout. And yeah, so get ready for set number 2. Less talking, more doing. Alrighty guys, set number 2, straight through the workout, less talking, more doing. You know what's going on, so get ready for our seated front leg raises. Breathing in, 30 seconds, let's go. Using those core muscles, all right? Strong, engaged core, tuck in that tummy. Very good, proud chest, good posture. Almost there, push through, you got this. Very nice, come on, almost there. 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, bend those knees, and coming up all the way to a bend, feet on the floor, half roll down, 30 seconds, and let's go. Forget to breathe. Try not to hold your breath. I know it's easy to hold your breath when you're focusing on something, but gotta deliver oxygen to those muscles. Push those shoulders away from your ears, all right? Nice, long, elegant neck. All right, last one. 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Extend those legs, shake it out, and lay down for those tabletop toe taps. Breathing, getting ready in position, And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Very good. Remember, we're bringing our legs back up to a nice straight tabletop, 90-degree angle. If you're in a crunch position, don't pull on your neck. Nice size tennis ball between your chin and your chest. Looking up. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, hold, hold. And come down. Very good. Extend those arms up overhead. Nice stretch in the entire body. And we're going to leg scoops, all right? Bringing your knees in, or you can start with your legs up, whatever's easier for you. And leg scoops. 3, 2, 1, begin. Don't forget to press your lower back into the floor, into the mat. Super important for spine health. The lower you go, the harder it is, all right? So the lower you extend your legs out here, all right, the more you're gonna feel that challenge. You can also just go little, all right? Whatever works for you. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Come down, extend, roll over onto the tummy, hands below your shoulder, and push up. Very good. Should feel really, really nice after those exercises. Enjoy this for a few seconds. Breathe. Come down again if you'd like and push back up. And come up. Very good. That was your lower belly workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're ready for another set, rewind, get to it. If not, check out our channel, subscribe, ring that bell, and I hope to see you on the next one.